Halo. Halo. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam. They were our last lesson. Okay. And then we will continue to the next video today. What is the title today? The title is kata ganti, or in English is pronouns. Okay, pay attention please. Saya or aku in English is I. Saya. I, aku. That synonym. They are synonym. And then you, kamu. You, kamu. Kamu atau kamu or Anda. So you, the meaning it can be kamu, the meaning it can be Anda. And then we, kita or kami. We, kita. We, kami. They, mereka. He, dia. He, dia. She, dia. She, dia. Wow. Is it same? No. In Bahasa Indonesia, if we say dia, it can be male and it can be female. But in English, if we say she is female, he is male. But in Bahasa Indonesia, dia, it can be he, it can be referred to she. Do you understand? And then it, ia. Okay. I repeat one again. I, saya or aku. You, kamu or Anda. We, kami or kita. They, mereka. He, dia. She, dia. It, ia. And then after that, we combine in the sentence. The first is aku guru, kamu siswa. Aku guru, I am teacher. Kamu siswa, you are student. And then this is the style to make you confident and easy to understand about pronouns. This is the way, or this is the style. Aku, kamu, aku, kamu, kita, mereka, kita, mereka, dia, dia, ia. Aku bukan kamu, aku tidak kamu. After this video, you repeat one again, or you memorize all of pronouns. Aku, kamu, kita, mereka, dia, ia. And then after that, you can make sentences quickly and easily. I hope this video is easy to understand, and we continue in the next video. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you.